Lake Stadium. It's Wednesday evening, September 29th. The Lady Eagles will face off against the Lady Shore Gals of Avon Lake. Sarah Lozier in goal tonight for the Lady Eagles. And we're underway. Avon Lake's brand new athletic turf field. A really nice, outstanding setup here now. Avon Lake tonight in their white jerseys. Maroon pants. Nice save by Alyssa Velasco. Be a corner kick for the Shore Gals. Lady Eagles in their orange jerseys tonight, black pants. Goal for the Shore Gals. Didn't take long. 1-0 Shore Gals. Kate Fallon.
Shore Gal goal scored by number 21, Mary Donegan. Assisted by number 17, Megan Gray.
Ball heads out. It's going to be a Shore Gal throw. And again, it's going to be a white throw. Headed by Bailey Smith. Oh, off Avon Lake. Eagles will get the throw in. Ashley Palangi on the throw. Erica Koback. Koback. Ball played out by Avon Lake. Eagles will get the throw again. Palangi will throw in. Headed out again by Avon Lake. Palangi to throw. Avon Lake able to clear it. Comes back Emma Schloss. Oh, ball goes out. Shore Gals will get the throw. Played out by White. North Olmsted throw. Bailey Smith, number 21, with the throw in, headed by Cherokee. Ball will go out off Avon Lake. Eagle throw. Ashley Palangi this time. Palangi puts it back into the box. Oh. Keeper able to come out and get it. Whoa, line drive punt into the center circle. Ball goes out, it's going to be an Eagle throw. Palangi to throw. Is that again? Eagle throw. Palangi. Goes into Koback. Koback back to Palangi. Switches it to the middle of the field. Jessie Marita put it up there. Cherokee fighting for it, gets it away. She'll drop it. Back to Kate Fallon. Kate Fallon puts it up into the corner. And this one's going to find its way out before Bailey Smith can get to it. Shore Gal throw. Lozier comes out, clears it. There's Kovac. Cleared by Avon Lake. Emma Schloss, pass it back to Lozier. Lozier, out to the far side. Morgan Morita. Morita to move it up. She does to the outside to Jessie Morita. Blocked by Avon Lake. Goes out. Throw in. Eagles. Jessie Morita. And this time it went off North Olmsted. Avon Lake will get the throw on the far side. Ball goes into the middle, into the box. Lozier calls for it. High kick. No breeze here tonight. Nobody really has any favor factoring the wind. Grace Cherokee switches over to Morgan Morita on the far side. Up to Jessie Morita. Up to Kovac. Kovac pushes it back. Morgan Morita, Avon Lake takes it away. Foot race between Fallon and Avon Lake. Avon Lake takes a shot, blocked. Emma Schloss on the block. Lozier comes up with it. All the way out to midfield. Kovac, oh, puts it in front of Cherokee. Kovac. There's Abed, they got a piece of it. Avon Lake with it now. Emma Schloss with the takeaway. Velasco on the defense and Cherokee. Cherokee sweeps it away. Cherokee up for Alyssa Velasco. Velasco up to Abed. Avon Lake plays it out. It'll be an Eagle throw. Into the game for the Eagles, number 25. Michelle Palangi will come into the game. Ashley Palangi to throw. Avon Lake clears it out the far side of the field. Morgan Morita will throw in on the far side for the Lady Eagles. Throws into Kovac. Kovac over to Alyssa Velasco. Velasco plays it back to Emma Schloss. Schloss to Morgan Morita. No, check that, Bailey Smith. Bailey Smith up into the corner for Jessie Morita. Saves it from going out. Ball goes out off Avon Lake, and it's going to be an Eagle throw. Jessie Morita throws in quickly. Bailey Smith with the takeaway. Punches it up into the box by everybody. Avon Lake's keeper able to pick up the loose ball. She'll punt it away. Ball goes out. It's going to be an Eagle throw. Morgan Morita will throw in, and another substitution for the Eagles. Kate Fallon back into the game. Number 19. Avon Lake able to punch it out there. Oh, taken away by Alyssa Velasco. This is Kate Fallon. Over to Ashley Palangi. Up to Abed. Abed to Alyssa Belasco. And Schloss will hunt this one down. Play it back to Lozier. Lozier clears it. Up to Michelle Palangi. Cherokee fighting for it. Kate Fallon there with the defense. Able to get it away. Over to Michelle Palangi. Being pressured. Referee says play. Headed back by Ashley Palangi. Michelle Palangi finally goes down. Foul called on Avon Lake. Eagles will get the free kick. Ashley Palangi will put it back into play. She decides to go across the field to Morgan Morita. Ball pushed out. Eagle throw far side. Morgan Morita will throw in for the Eagles. Alyssa Belasco up to Kobach, back to Belasco. Shot blocked by Avon Lake. Belasco trying to get another crack at it. Puts it into the box. Michelle Palangi, here's Abed. Ball goes out over the end line, and it's going to be a goal kick. Headed by Abed, right back to the keeper. Palangi got a piece of it, then Cherokee. Here's Michelle Palangi. Deflected off of Kate Fallon. Abed. Ooh. All right, Grace Cherokee. Grace Cherokee for Alyssa Belasco. Avon Lake punches it away. Could be trouble. Fed in front of the net. Defense by Morgan Morita there. And we got a foul called. I think it's going to be on Avon Lake. The Eagles will get the free kick. Emma Schloss. That was Ashley Palangi tying her shoe. Wasn't hurt. Deflects out Palangi back into the box to Lozier. Lozier there to scoop her up. High kick. Ball's going to find the touchline, and it's going to be an Eagle throw. Number 8, Ashley Palangi to throw. And Abed. And it's going to be an North Olmsted throw. And this time it goes out, and it's going to be an Avon Lake throw. Avon Lake will substitute. Just under 26 minutes, we have 25:40 to go, first half. Avon Lake jumped out to an early 1-0 lead in the first minute of the game. The Eagles have yet to score. Fallon on the defense. Avon Lake pushes it out. And it's going to be an Eagle throw. Morgan Morita on the far touchline. put this field in here. They really widened it up for soccer. They took the yellow line practically out to the track, both sides. Ball goes out. Avon Lake will get the throw in. In the middle. Poked away by Alyssa Velasco in front of Cherokee. Cherokee leads Velasco. Velasco had it out too far. Avon Lake able to get it away. Here's Michelle Palangi. Pushes it to Cherokee. Cherokee, nice move. Cherokee to the far side to Morgan Marita. Morgan moves it up. There's Koback. Erica Koback to Alyssa Velasco. Velasco launches one towards the net. Knocked down by the keeper. Nice shot by Alyssa Velasco. Ashley Palangi over there in the defense. Emma Schloss pokes it. Deflects off Koback and Fallon. Morgan Marita with the clear. Came right down to Velasco's feet. Avon Lake got it. Rejected by Palangi. Deflects off Palangi. There goes that. Crowd yelling for a handball. It's going to be an Avon Lake throw-in. I think it was inadvertent on Palangi's part. Flex off Avon Lake would be an Eagle throw. Nice job by Emma Abed. Cherokee, no, check that, was Michelle Palangi. Deflect off Cherokee there to the middle. Koback got a piece of it. Koback and Fallon team up on the defense there. Abed to Michelle Palangi. Ball pokes out though. Came off Avon Lake though. Back into the game, number 21, Bailey Smith for the Eagles. Michelle Palangi will sit down, take a breather. Her sister Ashley Palangi will throw in. Here's Velasco. Left-footed shot goes over the goal. Nice left-footed attempt by Alyssa Velasco. Headed back by North Olmsted, cleared by Avon Lake. Ball goes out. It's going to be an Eagle throw. Morgan Marita. Ashley Palangi. Abed tried to put it out to the outside. Avon Lake got to it first. It finds the far touch line, where it rolls out. Eagles will get the throw in.